The LG V20 is a design departure in more ways than one from the LG V10, and it has received a slight shake-up in terms of its spec sheet to mark the occasion, too. Its chipset has been upgraded from the Snapdragon 808 to the Snapdragon 820, bringing the Adreno 530 along with it for the graphical duties. Unfortunately, it just missed out on the Snapdragon 821 chipset, which we're seeing pop up in the Asus Zenfone Deluxe 3 and Google Pixel. Just like we saw with the V10, the V20 runs with 4GB RAM, a count that should keep things running smoothly well into the next generation of mobile games and applications. Some more good news to consider here is the support for the cross-platform Vulkan API, which will usher in console-quality graphics to the mobile space. The V20 doubles the V10's baseline amount of onboard storage to 64GB and kept the microSD slot for additional storage. In terms of connectivity, you have the latest Wi-Fi AC protocol supported out of the box. There's also Bluetooth V4.2, NFC for Android Pay and, as previously stated, USB Type-C for charging. LG's dual-screen phone is as snappy as we hoped it would be, delivering a consistently smooth experience. Even with its two screens, high-end audio hardware and wide-angle camera features, it doesn't miss a beat multitasking between apps and games. In Geekbench 4, the V20 rated highly amongst the competition. Compared to the Snapdragon 821 toting Google Pixel that earned a multi-core score of 4029, LG's latest earned an average 3821, a number that's in the neighborhood of what the similarly spec'd Samsung Galaxy S7 can put out.